Hari Om, and welcome to all the children over here. This meeting is actually in appreciation to all the kids who turned as gurus in our Achieve Academy during the month of May for the summer camp. I feel immensely proud and a great gratitude towards the Almighty for making my children so powerful and confident that they came forward to teach something or share their knowledge in some way or the other. So let's hear from them how they chose what they want, what they did for the summer camp, and how they went about it. I'm starting with the youngest participant, Jayesh.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to share my experience. I enjoyed the summer camp. It was fun. Everyone taught me about different things like fitness, craft, games, dance, and robotics. I loved to chant shlokas every day at home. Morning and evening, I pray by chanting shlokas. I enjoy teaching my friends. Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity.
Okay, child, can you tell me what did you teach them? You taught them? Yeah, he taught the Navagraha story. Thank you, Guruji. Yes, the next person whom we are going to is Devinand. Yes, Devinand.
Okay, ma'am. Last week, I taught you the bhajan Daya Karo. What motivated me to teach all of you this is I just had this feeling that if I taught you, it would do me a big help in the future.
Okay.
Where I learned it is in Chennai, where my grandmother taught me from my childhood. It was really fun learning it, and it is now my favorite bhajan I ever learned. Ma'am, I thank you for this opportunity. I really loved it and really liked that I had a chance to perform in it.
Thank you, Devinand. Yes, we too enjoyed it. Not only the Jayesh's and Devinand's, almost everyone's. It was such a great experience for all of us. Yeah, Gautam?
Yeah, ma'am. Summer camp is the bestest thing.
Can you come forward? Cannot hear you.
Summer camp is the bestest thing which I performed in Achieve Academy. I liked everyone who taught me. I was spending my time usefully and learned some things.
You have a microphone, Gautam. Can you come again? Because we were not able to hear you clearly.
The best thing which I participate in the Achieve Academy is summer camp. I liked it, and thanks to all of all to teach me. I was spending my time usefully. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Gautam. Some problem with his audio, I think. Okay, let's go to Ritvik. Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am. Summer camp is filled with fun. Some activities are informative and fun. I did quiz everybody enjoyed. I learned many things for quiz and my friends also did very nice and morning exercise was very nice. Thank you, ma'am, to make this summer camp.
Okay, what did you learn? I mean, what did you do in the summer camp? What did you do? What did you conduct?
I conducted quiz.
Yes, I wanted that. Yes. Okay.
I conducted a quiz. In that, I learned many things.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So we are going to Roshni. Yes, Roshni, tell me. What did you do?
So I taught my friends cooking as I like to cook. First, I was nervous and I had a couple of options to choose from. And that class, I was happy that I taught some.
Okay, what are the items you taught them?
I just made a pasta for my friends to enjoy by seeing online.
Tasty. Yes, Pujita, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. I would like to share my thoughts about the summer camp. It was a wonderful and unique opportunity for me to learn and teach from others. I taught fitness as it was something regular I do, and I was good at that. I was nervous in my first class, but your endless appreciation, my friends and ma'am, encouraged me to make my classes more interesting and better. It was wonderful to learn many things from you all. The amazing robotics, cooking, shlokas, I really loved it all. But then we must thank our ma'am, right, for this unique opportunity given to us. Thank you, ma'am, for this great idea of the summer camp.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you. So next we go to Akshaya. Akshaya.
Hi all. So today I'm here to talk about what I taught in the summer camp. So when ma'am gave told about this, like there's gonna be a summer camp being conducted. So the first idea which sparked my mind was cooking because I like to cook. And then I taught them how to cook a porridge because it is the simplest thing ever. So it's very easy to make. And I learned many things from the summer camp. Thanks to all my friends who taught me, who encouraged me, and thanks to ma'am.
Thank you, Akshaya. Akshaya and Vinita did it together, so I'm going to Vinita. Vinita, yes, let me know.
Hello, friends and ma'am. So for this, like the summer camp, even I did cooking. Like every time I'll be free and boring means I will just cook only. So like what if I teach my friends to cook how to cook? So like there was a time limit for cooking. So I thought a very simplest recipe. I thought like how to make cheese mayonnaise sandwich. So like that was so easy. And thank you, Mahamam, for this big opportunity, and thank you, friends, for supporting me and encouraging me. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, keep cooking, keep enjoying. Bharat? Yes, Bharat.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm interested in crafts and I feel that kite is easy for me to teach. So that only I chose that topic. And the summer camp was filled with happiness. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Bharat. Yeah, we all enjoyed, especially we enjoyed your video where you were flying a kite, and you were showing us how it was. That was really good. Okay,
Thank you,
Ashwath.
ma'am.
Ashwath.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to talk about summer camp. Summer camp was really interesting. When I entered in the summer camp, they were full of fun, like doing doing quiz, etc. Cooking also. So, I taught them. I conducted a quiz for them because they should know. They have to learn their knowledge, and really enjoyed. And thanks to my friend who learned me so many things. And thank you to ma'am for the lovely summer camp.
Okay, thank you, Ashwath. Natasha?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, all. I'm Natasha, and today I'm here to share my experience as a teacher in the summer camp. Actually, it was not a very big deal for me to be a teacher because I had many cooperative students, and I chose my topic as board games because we are in a pandemic situation where kids will be bored by playing the usual games like snake and ladder, ludo, and so on. So instead of it, let's try something new. So with that positivity, I started this. And even you need a lot of concentration while drawing each line. So but my students did it very neatly and cleanly and impressed me a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I used a Jamboard presentation to make it clear. And thank you so much, Mahamam, for giving this big opportunity to show our latent talents. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Natasha. But actually, children, I should only thank you. To thank you, to appreciate you itself fully, this meeting is because we had a fun evening last Sunday. But all this is, I would have appreciated you many times, but this is not enough. Much more should be done because the way you conducted the 1 week summer camp and you followed it up with another 2 weeks of fitness and exercise. Hats off. So we're going to Nanda. Yeah, Nanda.
Hi all. Today I'll be talking about my experience in the summer camp. I first and all I was actually thinking what to do. So I was thinking and what to do. So I thought that last ma'am had held a cooking contest. So I haven't entered it. So I thought of taking that idea, and I made chocolate balls with my grandmothers. It was actually very nice, and Pujita and someone else did it. So I thank you, Maha ma'am. I thank Maha ma'am for this wonderful opportunity and my friends who encouraged me.
Ate it with our grandmothers is a big highlight. Yes, we all enjoyed it. It was Sanjay and Pujita who had tried your. Yes, Sanjay, can you share?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, when ma'am introduced about the summer camp, I was thinking about what to do and how to do it, and suddenly I got a thought to for fitting everyone. And I thought of doing fitness, and all the other students helped me and encouraged me for doing this. Everyone cooperated and sat with me. Thank you, ma'am, for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Sanjay. We have to have a special thanks to Sanjay and Pujita for that extra 2 weeks when we all got up and did our fitness. That was really a good one, actually. Yeah, my thought may be mine, but what has been, what is done is by you people. No? So, thank you so much. Yeah, we're going to Ritika. Yeah, Ritika.
Yeah, ma'am. So the summer camp was very exciting.
Volume is low. Can you volume?
It was very exciting, ma'am, and I was really enjoyed dummy cooking and crafts and especially clothes. So first I thought of doing exercise, then okay, no, someone is out. Right? So I thought to be unique, and I thought of science. So I thought of that. Then I started teaching. When I was teaching, I was happy because they asked out. At least I know that they are listening and they constantly.
Okay, the volume is too much of this thing. Anyhow, thank you. Now, Ritika taught us about science concepts. So, and many of them asked many queries and cleared their doubts. So what she told, that suppose the volume is not clear, I'm just explaining 1 or 2 sentences of what she shared. Thank you, Ritika. Over to Ari. Arya.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, all. So, what I taught in the summer camp was automobile and how to tell stories with modulation. Both of the topics were actually not very tough to teach, as I had very cooperative people whom I was teaching. And the biggest plus point with my sessions were that there were no people who did not like it or didn't even asked me a question. There were very less doubts, and I thought that people had understood whatever I had taught them, and they were so good audience as well as listeners, so that they were very quiet and they were so good. And thanks to ma'am for giving us all this opportunity. And automobile was a subject that I had taken, and it was something that I was very amazed to see that everybody listened to me, and at last even congratulated me in the group. So I felt that it was actually a big thanks to ma'am. Thank you all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you, Arya. Thank you. A special thanks to all of you individually. If I was there, I would have just patted you and given you something. But now it's only, I can only share some words. So God bless you all. You all did a wonderful job. Okay. Thank you, wonderful. Thank you once again for coming together for this meeting over here. Thank you. Hari Om.